Hello, I'm Dr. Suresh Gowda, consultant neonatologist and pediatrician working at Motherhood Hospital, HR, Bihar. Today I'm going to talk to you all about sneezing in newborn. Most of the parents are concerned, why is my newborn sneezing so much? It can feel completely overwhelming for the parents to find out, is their baby acting like a normal baby or something wrong with the baby? Every last sniffle, sound and sneeze can make you stop and wonder if something is wrong with your baby. Is the baby cold? Do they have a cold? Did the person with the cold sneeze on my baby and that's why they are sneezing? Is there such a thing as too many sneezes? What causes sneezing? There are quite a few reasons why your newborn might be sneezing a lot. First, you should know that sneezing is absolutely a good thing to see your newborn doing. It means that their nervous system is working correctly, because sneezing is actually a reflex controlled by the nervous system. It's completely common for newborns to sneeze a lot along with spit up, yawn, gurgle, hiccup and burp. Sneezing in infants is a reflex just like it is with adults, which occurs when the nasal passages are irritated. Unlike a lot of other reflexes like the startle reflex or the Moro reflex, the sneezing reflex is one that sticks around as the baby grows and into adulthood. Everyone needs to sneeze every now and then, right? Primarily, newborns sneeze a lot because they have to. They have small nasal passages than adults and may have to literally clear their noses more often than adults do, since they can get clogged more easily. They sneeze to get rid of anything from breast milk to mucus to smoke to dust in the air. Just think of how irritated a nasal passage might get when you spend most of your time leaning back and drinking milk. You can help your baby by never smoking around him or her. Newborns also breathe through their mouths as part of their development, which can sometimes contribute to the sneezing since they are still adjusting to breathing through the nose. Sometimes it can be more than just a sneeze. You may find it interesting that for newborn babies, sneezing can actually but more than just sneezing. If your newborn is sneezing a lot, it doesn't necessarily mean they're coming down with a cold. Instead, babies use sneezing as a natural defense system against the billions of germs that they're greeted with during their presentation to the world. That's a lot of germs to be introduced in a very short span of time. So sneezing is just one way that newborns can try to protect themselves in our germy world. The sneezing clears out germs and particles that might be trying to infiltrate the baby's system through the nasal passages before they get inside and make your baby sick. Sneezing can be a sign of sickness. In some situations, excessive sneezing in newborns can be a sign of a condition called neonatal abstinence syndrome. This occurs when a mother has abused addictive opiate drugs during her pregnancy. Some symptoms of the syndrome, in addition to the sneezing, can include nasal stuffiness, unsustained suck, tremors, and abnormal nipple latch. If a baby has neonatal abstinence syndrome, they're essentially experiencing withdrawal symptoms from the drug or drugs that the mother used during her pregnancy. Some of the most commonly abused substances include alcohol, heroin, and methadone. One of the symptoms of heroin withdrawal, for example, is a baby sneezing more than 5 times at once. So the doctors, we assess signs of neonatal abstinence syndrome if a baby is sneezing 3 to 4 times at once within a 30-minute time span. Of course, newborns can also simply get sick. Frequent sneezing in a newborn could be a symptom of an infection. If a newborn is sneezing frequently and has other symptoms like cough, trouble breathing, is refusing feeds, or appears more tired than usual or running a high fever, then it's the right time to contact your doctor straight away. To watch more videos of me, please subscribe to Dr. Circle.